Hi guys, how are you? Welcome to Beauty World Show. We are Periodiclab directly from United States of America. What do you guys just gotta do? You guys gotta come visit the Beauty World Show. What did we come up over here? We come up with the new products that you never seen in your world. So let me show you some products that you will get excited and viral products. We have a new product called Men's Lab, which is right over here. What is the good thing about the Men's Lab product is all the products and all the hemp products is all made with hemp. We have a product called Hemp Doctor, which is the massage oil and which is edible. I'm repeating again, it is edible. You know what does that mean? This is the way we do it. So this is the hemp product. You should come and visit our website, which is called periodiclabusa.com. That is the massage oil product. We have men's product, which is called Men's Lab. All the Men's Lab product, which is the trendy product. A lot of people are making shampoos and here and there, but we are the one with the product called hemp. All the product that we have is with the hemp. Our product tells you, a lot of men's don't know about creams, how to use it. So what we did, we give you a section over here. It tells you, renew my skin, for eczema, protect my skin, firm my skin, which is the easiest way to teach you how to use your cream. You don't have to get a certificate to find out how to use the product, right? So this is the easiest way to do it. Men's Lab, Periodiclab USA. You should come stop by and visit our booth. We have a lot of other new products that I want to introduce you with it. We have a product called Diabetics. A lot of people have products for diabetic, which is not topical products. So we are the one who come up with the topical product. And we know what is the problem with those all medicated problems. So we know bad ulcer. We have a bad ulcer product. We have allergy problems with the diabetic people. We have the solutions for that. We have a lot of solutions for a lot of diabetic people. What do you just gotta do? Go to our website, visit us, and see a lot more products do we have. Periodiclabusa.com. Thank you very much. 10-10.